Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will let you know how to create a calendar in Microsoft Excel. Start a new Excel document. When you click the File tab or Office button and select New, you will be shown a variety of different templates to pick from. Search for calendar templates. Depending on the version of Office you are using, there may be a calendar section or you can just type calendar into the search field. Set the template to the correct dates. Once the template loads, you will see your new blank calendar. The date will likely be incorrect, but you can usually change this using the menu that appears when you select the date. Check for any tips. Many templates will have a text box with tips that can inform you on how to change the dates or adjust other settings for the calendar template. Adjust any visuals you would like to change. You can adjust the look of any of the elements by selecting one and then making changes in the Home tab. You can change the font, color, size and more just like you would any object in Excel. Enter your events. After your calendar is configured correctly, you can begin entering events and information into it. Select the cell you want to add an event and then start typing. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.